Join us today as we talk about life insurance beneficiaries here at Hazel Green Funeral Home, where we're sharing insight and serving others. What is a beneficiary? Who is your beneficiary? And when and how to change a beneficiary? If you understand these three things, you will make things easier on your family in the future. Let's start with this question. What is a beneficiary? A life insurance beneficiary is the person or the organization who will receive the money from the life insurance policy when the insured passes away. Now, if you have a life insurance policy, knowing who your beneficiary is very important. Secondly, let's talk about how to find out who is the beneficiary of your policy. The insured or the owner of the policy will normally have listed a beneficiary when the policy was purchased. However, as time passes, you may not remember who your beneficiary is, and it may be different than what was written on your policy originally. If you don't know, we recommend that you call and speak to your insurance company right now to verify who your beneficiary is. Request that they send you a letter confirming your beneficiary to keep in your files. Now, if possible, it's a good idea to share the name of your beneficiary with your closest family members. Once you receive the letter, make sure to verify the spelling of the name and that the name is the same as is listed on the beneficiary's state-issued identification. Let us warn you that sometimes contacting an insurance company can be challenging. Insurance companies change ownership and phone numbers all the time. If you need help, call us. The last thing we need to discuss is changing your beneficiary. There are times and circumstances in life when we may need to make a change in our beneficiary. One of these most important times is if the beneficiary has passed away. If the beneficiary of an insurance policy is deceased, it makes it very difficult for the money from a policy to be paid to the funeral home or to the family for funeral expenses when someone has died. Sometimes the paperwork and wait time can exceed a year with deceased beneficiaries. If your beneficiary passes away, you need to change the beneficiary as soon as possible. The process of changing a beneficiary can vary from company to company. The first step would be to contact your insurance company and give them your policy number and let them know that you want to change the beneficiary on your policy. We know that dealing with insurance companies and paperwork can be very confusing and sometimes even intimidating. That's why one of the ways we serve our community here at Hazel Green Funeral Home is by helping the public to verify and update their insurance policies. We even have change of beneficiary forms for many insurance companies right here on file in our funeral home, and we're glad to assist you whether you plan to use the services of our funeral home or of another funeral provider. Come by our office today or call us at 256-828-0035 and we'll be glad to assist you with your policies. On our next video, we're going to share 7 mistakes to avoid when naming an insurance beneficiary. Please take a moment to like our Hazel Green Funeral Home Facebook page, or if you're watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe and share this video there as well. Thank you for watching us, and I hope you'll join us again next time as we share insight to serve others.